So I've been on foot for quite a while now. I can see you putting your hands in front of camera. My car, as you can see here, you just put your hand under the wheel arch here, like, just feel like a little hole under the turret there. So we can't use it, needs welding. But basically it failed its MOT. Hopefully we'll pick it up today and see how it's running. It's actually been a while since I've used the car.
Later that day.
Welding work complete, fresh MOT, legit for 12 more months. I'm in my bit of the road, I own the whole road. I'm in a Subaru. I'll do. So now the car's back, it's all running right. I know everything's right with the arch. The only problem is, due to the bad weather we've had, I haven't been able to get the welding undersealed. The garage left it like with no underseal, so when I took it for the MOT, they could check and see that I haven't just basically tacked anything on and created some little weld marks with some plaster or whatever, or I don't know, but just to make sure it's legit. And then ever since that we've had now but bad weather until the good weather, so I haven't been able to get it undersealed. So basically what I'm going to do now is get the car up, get it all cleaned back up, paint some underseal, some wax oil, what have you on there, and get that fresh bit of metal protected. Come on, learner driver, there you go. So up we go. Proper little rust bucket under here, innit? The engine works though, that's the main thing. Yeah, my mate Nathan hasn't had much luck with his scoobs recently, but we'll go into that when we see his Subaru. So yeah, this is the patch. They've layered it up. You can see it's starting to go a little bit rusty here now, just surface rust, but this is why I want to get it cleaned and undersealed. But yeah, it was left like that for a reason, just to prove to the MOT guy that it has been done. It does come like behind and up under there. You probably can't see that for the light. This was kind of a giveaway to me, just ever so slight discoloration. You can see like the rusty colour and like a bubble forming between the bumper and the arch there. Now a lot of you guys would see that and you'd think, oh, it's just got the usual rust issues, usual rusty arches, all that. No, it's not just a usual rusty arch. Basically your car's got AIDS and it's eating itself inside out. When your car's got that like rust forming toward the arches and around there, maybe down by your sills, depending on where the water's getting in and running, that'll kind of determine the fact that your car is actually got a problem more underlying inside the turret area where I've just shown you, but basically end up with it rotting out. If you witness this forming, basically you want to be getting your hands up and under and feeling around where like I've had that weld. Get your hands actually like up in the turret box section, get it all up there, feel about, push, press, see if anything's going to give way, see if it's rusty or rotting out. But that is usually what this means. It's not just you've got a common rusty arch forming and you need new panels. It's an underlying issue, which is underlying from here, and then the water gets inside and it'll come in through when driving through water or whatever, any conditions, damp conditions, and the moist will run within the lip, and that's how you end up with all this. Or it'll run this way down to the sills and it'll rot your sills out. Proper little rust bucket under here, you know. I have to find some way of cleaning all this off. So if anyone has any good recommendations of cleaning an underbody of a car, that'd be great. And if anyone's got a spare set of 17-inch alloys that they don't want, I'll take them. So managed to get the underseal, some Hammerite underseal body with added wax oil. So for this, like getting rid of the rust, we're going to need a wire brush, a rag, some cider vinegar, white vinegar, and some elbow grease. Got my rag, vinegar, a bit, giving it all a good scrub. everywhere. Cracking stuff, this elbow grease, you know. We're getting there. Just gotta wire brush the crap out of it now. There we are now, we're all back to bare metal. Up here and behind there. I stink like Mr. Wong's fucking chip shop.
操你妈小逼崽子！你真没见过黑社会哈！操你妈的！
So I'm just gonna let that vinegar dry off and that now. Go have a beer and then come back and underseal it. So just literally got a paint scraper at the minute and just getting enough on to get a good thickness, and then just kinda pasting it on nice and thick. Can't really see there, can you? But anyway, well, I got it on there. Probably give it a couple of days and then I'll just jack the car up and just go over it just to make sure. But at least I know that that ain't gonna be rotting through again anytime soon. Weather's still nice. I think shall head up to the allotment and have a barbecue. Yes. But it's had at least a good 18 hours. Still a bit tacky up there, but places to be. The barbecue. Can't really see it, but it's not got like covered in crap. Luckily it's dry. It's just flicked a couple of little stones into it. I can live with that. So yeah, it's just done about 30 miles or something, so it's alright.
Any horse shit?
No horse shit. Just a few little stonage. So yeah, last night's barbecue. So I gets up allotment, and then I thought I'd give my new barbecue a whirl, and well, that took like an hour to build. And then I set the coals up wrong in it. They took like another 3 hours to get going, and then probably 2-3 hours to cook a couple of burgers and a sausage each. Nathan ended up coming, so honestly ask him. Yeah, and V and my wife. And what time did we get up there? V said it was about 6 o'clock, wasn't it? And it had gone 10 by the time I was dishing food out. So yeah, it wasn't the best barbecue-ish yesterday. But if you ever want to come and join me for a barbecue, honestly, I'm a good barbecue guy. Yeah, just free yourself up sometime. But yeah, arches are right for now. Car needs a clean. It's got here alright, so ciao. At least 70 miles an hour up the slip roads, legit. Like, you've got to match the traffic of the motorway, haven't you? And everyone looks to be doing, like, for the camera, let's say 80.
I'll put your speed on next time.
Yeah, it was within the limits. Ciao for now, guys. Like, subscribe, comment.